Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdulrhman Uthman, a student of King Faisal University. In this video, we will discuss subqueries in Select. We will be using the tables that were generated in lesson 16, so make sure you did that before proceeding here. By saying subquery, we know that there is a main query or an outer query involved. That outer query needs something from the subquery. Click SQL Workshop, then SQL commands. Set rows value to the maximum. Let's answer the following questions. In number 1, we will display employee information of those having the same job ID as employee ID 107. To do this, first we must know the job ID of employee ID 107, and then we can use it for our outer query. The subquery would be select job ID from employees where employee ID equals 107. The result is only one row, and we can now use it in the outer query. Select star from employees where job ID equals, then our subquery. Run it. It seems that 107's job ID is IT Brock, and there are 3 of them with that job ID: 103, 104, and 107 himself. And number 2, we will display employee information of those having the same job ID as employee ID 101, 107, or 178. Our subquery here would be the same as in number 1. Let's just change the subquery's condition to employee ID in 101, 107, and 178. We should also change the outer query's condition from equal to in. Run it. It seems that the job IDs of the 3 employees are IT Brock, ADVB, and SA Rep. This is our 30th lesson and will be a temporary ending for this series. Thank you for your interest in this channel.